So TikTok made me do it. This is TikTok's fault. I had to go get this. And this is just another view of it. I had to get it, y'all. I had to go get my batteries. I was ready. Okay, I was ready. Put battery number 1 in. Boom. Battery number boom. Battery number 3. Yeah, nah, I wasn't giving. Real loose. Real loose. Okay? And it was so loose because the spring was missing. The whole spring, y'all, is gone. Okay? Don't trip. Reynolds Wrap can fix this. A piece of it. Yep. Fold that thing right on up. And this is what we should have. Yep. So where the spring should be, we just gonna put it right there. Y'all see that? Just another angle real quick. So now, boom, another battery. Nice and fit. Now ain't coming out. Boom. There we go. Fixed.